Hello, good evening. This is Naz from NB Network Lessons. Hope everyone's doing okay and in high spirits. Date today is October 11, 2024. Welcome. Let me ask you a question to all of my math students, algebra students. Have you ever thought about why is everything raised to power 0 is 1? So n can be any number. If you raise to the power 0, if the exponent is 0, that is always going to be 1. No matter this n is 100, 100,000, 1 million, 1 billion. If your exponent is 0, that is always going to be 1. Have you ever thought about why is that? What's the logic behind it? You know, what's the philosophy behind it? And I've struggled myself also to understand. And today I will share with you what I know. So before I start, let me ask you this. If I have 2 raised to the power 5, which is equal to 32, if I want to write this down in a logarithmic way, how would I do that? What I would do is I would say log, okay, base to the 2, 32 is equal to 5, right? So this is the way I would write in a logarithmic function way. So basically, this 2 right here means how fast are you growing? How fast are you growing? Okay. And then this 32 right here, what this means is that how big you got. How big you got. Okay. And then finally, this right here, 5 is the rate of growth. This is the punchline. So keep that in mind. This 5 is the rate of growth. Okay. Now let me ask you this. If I take 2 right here and raise to power 0, can I write this in a logarithmic function way? Of course I can. So what I do is that then I basically write this down as log raised to the 2. I know 2 raised to power 0 is 1. So log raised to the 2, 1 is going to give me what? Log raised to the 2 is going to give me 0, right? Do you agree with that? So then my question to you is, in this particular case, this 2 right here, as I did showed you earlier, how fast you are growing, right? And then 1 basically is how big you got. How big you got. And then rate of growth, this right here, 0 is rate of growth. So basically, think about it for a second. Rate of growth is 0. Okay. So you did not change. You started from 1 and you're still there. In this particular case, your rate of growth was 5. In this particular case, your rate of growth was 0. That is the logic behind n raised to power 0 is 1. That is the reason why you have anything raised to power 0 equal to 1, because there is no growth. You started from 1, you're still there. Same logic. 2 raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, I take the log of this right here. When I take the log of this, I say log base to the 2. 2 raised to power what? 2 raised to power what will give me, basically what I'm saying is 2 raised to power what will give me 1, which is right here. 2 raised to power 0 will give me 1. That's why I have 0 right here. So the rate of growth is 0. That is the reason you have n raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Hope it makes sense. Watch this couple of times. It will make sense to you. That's the only logic I could explore. There might be other explanations, but this is what I could think of. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.